Good morning, good afternoon, or maybe even good evening, depending on where you are. My name is Timothy Jones. I am IT Help Desk staff and one of the IT trainers on campus here at SUNY Buffalo State College. This morning, we're going to be covering the at-home access to Adobe Creative Cloud apps for students during the COVID-19 campus closures. And we're here on the knowledge base article page, which we have distributed as the directions for how to go through this. And it has pretty good steps going one by one. But we're going to go through a live demo today just for a more visual representation of what the students will be doing. So the first step in this is simply to go to creativecloud.adobe.com in a web browser. As always, we recommend using Google Chrome for your browsing purposes. So we're just going to click this link, and this will bring us to the Adobe login page or the Adobe Sign-in page. For email address, we'll be just entering our student Gmail address. You do not want to choose to create an account. We're using existing credentials. So we're going to type in our Gmail address here. And assuming I type that in without any typos, we'll be choosing to continue. And this will automatically bring us to the network login page for the campus. And here you'll just type in your network account username and here your network account password. This is the 15-character password. And you'll notice when I click sign in, if you look up here, it will add BSC logon / before our username. That just means we're accessing this from off campus. And this will now be redirecting us to the welcome page for Creative Cloud. And hopefully on the right-hand side over here, I'm going to zoom in, we should see this quick links section with install the Creative Cloud app. And we just want to click that, and as soon as we do, it will bring us to a page confirming that we've started the download, and it will have a little arrow in the bottom left directing us to the actual installation file. The steps for installing it will be the same as any other program would be, whether you're on a PC or Mac. So for example, you'll have the exe file on Windows, and if you're on a Mac, you'll be dragging that into your applications folder. Now, something we've actually run into is occasionally when students log in, for whatever reason, they won't see that quick links section. So we're going to go back. I'm going to close this, and assuming we've already logged in that last step, down at the start of step 2, it actually has the explanation for exactly what we're going to be doing here, which is if the quick links don't load after logging in, you can click this direct link, and then there will be a download button in the upper right corner. So we're going to click this, and it will bring us back to Adobe. And remember, this is us after we've already logged in. If you're not sure, you can click this icon up here, and that will show the account you're currently logged into. But as mentioned before, we have this blue download button up here. And once we click that, it will bring us just to the page same as we did before. And just to clarify, once you have grabbed this installer and actually installed it, it will have you authenticate using the same credentials before. So that's your student Gmail address alongside your network login and network password.